Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shipt Shopper to earn with flexible schedules, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Shipt Shopper account, start by visiting the Shipt website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password and confirm it in the designated field. After completing the form, click Next to proceed. Next, you will need to provide your location. Enter your address to see if your area is currently serviced by Shipt. If eligible, you can move on to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you agree, you can submit your application. You may receive a prompt to complete a background check. This process typically takes a few days, so be patient as your application is reviewed. Once approved, you will receive an email notification. Now it's time to download the Shipt Shopper app from your device's app store. Open the app and log in using the email and password you registered with. Follow the prompts to complete your profile and set your availability. This includes selecting your preferred working hours and days of the week. You will also need to connect a payment method for receiving earnings. To do this, navigate to the payment settings within the app. Enter the required banking information to link your account. After your information is verified, you are set to start shopping. Browse available orders in the app to choose what suits your schedule. Accept an order by tapping on it and follow the in-app instructions. Start shopping and enjoy the flexibility of working on your own terms. Track your earnings through the app to see your progress. Make sure to communicate with customers if any issues arise during shopping. Finally, provide excellent service to maximize your tips and earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.